multiple choice questions and answer. Basically this is for class 9th and 10th but class 11th standard can also be helpful from here. For class 9th, 10th and 11th standard. Subject painting. Term 2. Maximum marks 15. Unit 3. Maximum 9 max. Story of Indian art. Under 7 marks. Appreciation of Indian art covering selected paintings, sculptures and architectural glimpses. A. Paintings, Bodhisattva Padmapani, Ajanta. B. Sculpture, Ashokan Lion Capital, Mauryan period. C. Architecture, Kailashnath Temple, Ellora, Maharashtra. Unit 4. Indian Folk Art, maximum 8 marks. Paintings, Madhubani and Varli. Now start multiple choice questions and answer. Question number 1. In which cave is the fresco Bodhisattva Padmapani located in Ajanta? Cave 1. B. Cave 10. C. Cave 6. D. Cave 21. Answer A. Cave number 1. Question number 2. What is another name for mural paintings of Ajanta? Frescoes. B. Oil on canvas. C. Tempera. Answer A. Frescoes. Question number 3. Name the dynasty under which the Bodhisattva Padmapani was made. Rashtrakutas. B. Mauryas. C. Vaktakas. D. Kushans. Answer B. Maurya. Question number 4. Where are Ajanta caves located? Aurangabad. B. Allahabad. C. Sikandarabad. D. Nalanda. Answer A. Aurangabad. Question number 5. Bodhisattva here is standing in an attractive, with a blue lotus, padam in one hand. Tribhanga. B. Atibhanga. C. Dvibhanga. D. Sambhanga. Answer A. Tribhanga. Question number 6. Colors of Bodhisattva Padmapani are bright and glowing. B. Warm and Karthi. C. Monochromatic. D. Contrasting. Answer B. Warm and Karthi. Question number 7. Who painted Mother Teresa from your course of study? N.F. Hussain. B. Amrita Shergill. C. S.H. Raza. D. Zakir Hussain. Answer A. M.F. Hussain. Question number 8. What is the medium of the painting Mother Teresa from your course of study? Watercolor. B. Acrylic. C. Poster colors. D. Oil on canvas unimportant. Answer D. Oil on canvas unimportant. Question number 9. What part of the painting Mother Teresa establishes her universal motherhood for whom caste, color or religion is? Sari with a blue border. B. And gesture. C. The faceless entity. D. Four heads. Answer C. The faceless entity. Question number 10. What is the name of the sculpture that is the national emblem of India? Lion capital from Sarnath. B. Bull capital. C. Four animals holding Ashoka wheel. D. Elephant capital. Answer A. Lion capital from Sarnath. Question number 11. What is the medium of the sculpture Lion capital from Sarnath? Stone. B. Terracotta. C. Clay. D. Fiber. Answer A. Stone. Question number 12. Under whose reign dynasty was the sculpture Lion capital from Sarnath made? Vaktakas. B. Mauryas. C. Rashtrakutas. D. Kushans. Answer B. Mauryas. Question number 13. Who set the wheel of law in motion? A. Buddha. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta. C. Mahavir. Answer A. Buddha. Question number 14. What is setting the wheel of law in motion called? Dharmachakra Pravartana, B. Abhya Mudra, C. Apsamara, D. Ashok Chakra Pravartana. Answer A. Dharmachakra Pravartana. Question number 15. Which four animals are carved on the side of the abacus in Sarnath lion capital? Lion, elephant, bull and deer, B. Lion, deer, bull and horse, C. Lion, elephant, deer and horse, D. Lion, elephant, bull and horse. Answer D. Lion, elephant, bull and horse. Question number 16. In which direction are the four animals carved on the side of the abacus in Sarnath lion capital moving? Clockwise, B. Anticlockwise, C. North to south, D. East to west. Answer A. Clockwise. Question number 17. In which medium is the famous sculpture Nataraj made? Stone, B. Terracotta, C. Bronze, D. Fiber. Answer C. Bronze. Question number 18. Under whose reign dynasty was the sculpture Nataraj made? Vaktakas, B. Mauryas, C. Rashtrakutas, D. Cholas. Answer D. Cholas. Question number 19. His left front arm across his chest has its hand pointing downwards in towards his elegantly upraised left foot. Gaja Hasta Mudra, B. Gyan Mudra, C. Abhya Mudra, D. Prana Mudra. Thank you. Now for next question answer. You can watch multiple question answer part 2.